So I'm underneath my truck. Once again, I've got to make a repair on my exhaust. So I tried to do this. Well, I did do it. I don't know, probably last fall, maybe. Just got one section that has just rusted apart, and it's a very, very sloppy weld job. But I tried to clean it up and just put some tacks around. But man, this, whatever this is, I don't know what it is, or what this piece is called in the grand scheme of the muffler setup, or exhaust setup. It's very thin, and it just doesn't, I couldn't weld it really well without burning through it, no matter how low of a setting I put on my welder. So I'm gonna grind this weld stuff off that I put on here, and then I'm gonna attempt to make a different repair, just something to get me by for as long as possible, because frankly I really don't want to sink a bunch of money into a new exhaust. Or maybe I would just have to repair this part, I don't know, but I just don't want to have to do that right now, because I'm sure it's not cheap. So I've got some materials around here. I came up with a little idea. I'm gonna try to make it work. We'll see how it goes. I was gonna put some JB Weld around here and kind of seal it up. I don't know that it really matters. That's kind of what I'm looking at. Big holes all around. These are called meat hooks. Right there, whenever you're cutting sheet metal, you leave sharp corners like that, they're gonna get you. Probably get me anyway, but try to lessen the chance as much as possible. So I got some hand benders at work, but these lineman pliers will work just fine. Alright, so I'm gonna have to trim these tabs down a little bit. So I want it to fit flush against that. I have to trim a little more, possibly. Just a touch. There we go. Now I can screw my tabs to this thing, and I got enough to screw here and make that tight. I really don't know why this won't work. I think it will. This is stovepipe. I mean, if it'll handle a fire, it'll handle the temperature of an exhaust pipe. I don't know why this won't work. I think it will work. And it's gonna work. The real problem is when I'm driving, that's what I hear. So I got my drill and I got some stainless steel screws here. I better put my gloves back on or I'm gonna dice my hands up. Not working real well because I'm at such a bad angle. The screws aren't wanting to go in straight. May have to drill them out, pre-drill them. Wow.
What? Rusted?
It's hard metal. Or it could be this bit is just thrashed. That's probably what it is.
trooper.
Wow. All right. All right. Here's what I got. Here's my helper. She finally showed up.
That metal thing?
We'll call this a little Hoosier ingenuity. You know, like I said, I don't want to go spend a whole bunch of money on a repair like this. I mean, they'll probably try to sell me a whole new exhaust system. I don't think I need one. This is going to get me by for a while. And it's not going to rattle anymore. And if something happens, we'll get down here, we'll try again. I think it'll ride. Alright, so for Christmas, I got this new Sage grill. And this is the first time I've been able to use it. Basically a wok, kind of. But
It's Turkish.
yeah, it's Turkish. So I don't know. It's kind of over there, and
Turkish walk.
it's over there close to China and Japan ish. So I'm gonna build a little stand for it, because what I see online, right? They're cooking over open fires on a little stand with wood and everything. Well, I've just put this on my Weber, and it seems like it's gonna work pretty good. So I'll give it a shot. We're gonna have steak fajitas. I know that's not what they're called. I'll show you how they turn out. Alright. Pepper.
supposed to keep it in the pan.
I'm not used to the sauce. Oh yeah. I'm pretty sure this is going to be the best thing we've ever eaten.
Probably.
Ever. So what do you think about Saj? The food?
I love it.
Good. What do you think?
I love it. So good.
Good.
It's wonderful flavor.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
it sounds like it all turned out pretty good. We made, yeah, steak fajitas. So good for us on a Saturday. We'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Say goodbye, everybody.
Bye.